Unveiling the power of NMN, your pathway to ageless vitality. Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cutting-edge wellness as we explore the incredible benefits of NMN, a molecule that's been generating quite a buzz lately. If you're eager to unlock the secrets of ageless vitality, you've come to the right place. What is NMN? To kick things off, let's break down the science. NMN, or nicotinamide mononucleotide, is a compound that plays a crucial role in energy metabolism and cellular repair. Found naturally in our bodies and some foods, NMN acts as a precursor to NAD+, a coenzyme essential for various biological processes. The fountain of youth, NMN's anti-aging benefits. Now, here's the exciting part: anti-aging benefits. NMN has been linked to enhanced NAD+ levels, which decline with age. By replenishing NAD+, NMN may help support healthy cellular aging, boost DNA repair, and even promote longevity. So, if you're looking to maintain that youthful glow, NMN could be your new best friend. Energize your life with NMN. Are you feeling tired all the time? NMN might hold the key to revitalizing your energy levels. NAD+ is crucial for producing ATP, the cellular fuel that powers our bodies. By boosting NAD+ through NMN supplementation, you could experience increased energy, improved exercise performance, and better overall vitality. Cognitive boost and beyond. But wait, there's more. NMN's benefits extend to the brain. NAD+ plays a role in neuroprotection and cognitive function. Some studies suggest that NMN supplementation might help maintain brain health, enhance memory, and support cognitive clarity as we age. The future of wellness. As we look ahead, it's fascinating to consider the potential of NMN in the realm of wellness. Researchers are delving deeper into its applications, from cardiovascular health to metabolic support. While the research is still ongoing, NMN's promise is undeniable. There you have it, folks, a glimpse into the world of NMN and its potential benefits. Remember, before starting any supplementation regimen, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all things wellness, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Until next time, stay vibrant and ageless. Subscribe for more wellness insights. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before making changes to your health routine.